communications infrastructure, wireless networks, and we have also served the domestic space and defense markets in India. So moving forward, we expect a lot out of our new facility, as I mentioned. This is an extremely important event for Rakon. This is our largest facility globally, and we are looking at a long-term plan in the coming 3 to 5 years to transfer quite a lot of manufacturing from our other facilities globally, such as from New Zealand and from France, to India, to turn this into our global manufacturing hub. And today also underlines our strong commitment to the Make in India initiative. This center of excellence is going to be one where we will bring our cutting-edge products, world-leading technology, and we will have ability to manufacture any product that we manufacture anywhere in the world, right here in India. And for space, we have the privilege to have partnered with quite a lot of Indian agencies, including ISRO, URSC, SAC, and VSSC. And our relation with ISRO has allowed us to develop some groundbreaking products that have gone into very critical Indian missions, such as the Chandrayaan, Gaganyaan, and Mangalayaan, as well as the NVS-01 navigation satellite that was launched just 2 weeks ago. So these achievements highlight our commitment to pushing the boundaries of space exploration and satellite technology right here in India. And in the telecommunications market, where Rakon is very dominant with frequency control products, we have been addressing the requirements of the 4G, 4.5G, and 5G wireless networks with products that we have been manufacturing right here in India. We're also actively participating in the India 5G rollout. And moving forward, already we are working on architectures that are going to become 6G, and we are looking at fulfilling the future requirements of connectivity between people, networks, and machines globally. And I also wanted to say our commitment to the Make in India initiative is bolstered by the incredible support that we got from the Indian government, both the central government and the local state government, in terms of incentives. We have been a participant in the PLI incentive. We have actually applied for the SPECS incentive, which is the scheme of manufacturing of electronic components and semiconductors. And we have had excellent discussions with the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology in the frame of their India semiconductor mission. So these programs catalyze Rakon's continuing to make substantial investments here in India to bring the latest and greatest advanced technology to India and to the world. So today marks a very exciting event for us, and I am happy to answer any of your questions.
Manufacturing hub, can you slightly elaborate on the roadmap that you have with you down the line, 3 to 5 years?
Yes, so our 3 to 5 year strategy entails quite a lot of manufacturing and technology transfer from our other locations. And when I say other locations, I'm referring specifically to New Zealand and France as well. We will still have manufacturing in those locations, but our vision calls for our high volume manufacturing to be done right here in India.
Okay. And congratulations for declaring dividends this time for the company.
Thank you.
That's a big move. And also, I want to know about the newly released next generation semiconductor chip, NICU, that
Yes,
you made in
yes.
UK.
Yes, that is our next generation chip for our temperature compensated crystal oscillators.
Mhm.
It provides a new level of specification for us, and it provides new performance levels, especially in wireless, base stations and radio heads. And that's the type of product also that we, in our roadmap that you asked, we are intending to have our latest technology manufactured here as well moving forward.
Oh, great. So we can expect your semiconductor chip manufacturing, all other setups here coming up in India.
Yes, but just to clarify, it's not the semiconductor chip that we will fabricate there. That's
Okay.
done with external large fabs.
Right.
But using that semiconductor, our semiconductor, in our product, manufacturing that product with the semiconductor is going to be done here for our next generation ASIC semiconductor chip-based products.
So what will be the volume of revenue that you are expecting from India center, manufacturing center down the line?
Let me give it in relative terms. When you look at the coming 3 to 5 years, just for revenue out of India, our long-range plan calls for more than doubling our revenue in India. The revenue that India generates.
Okay. Do you have any R&D roadmap? That means tie-up with educational institutions like that in India?
Or would you like to take that as well?
Yeah.
I'll add to that, but please go ahead.
Sure. In India, basically, we are working with some of the institutions like IIC. We are the industrial member of IIC. So we do a lot of work with them with respect to some of the parametric measurements and also some research-oriented programs. Also, we work with Pilani for some of our design, product designing. So we have quite extensive, I can say, interaction with them with respect to the products, with respect to the process and some of the research-related activities.
There are 2 questions from Mr. Sanam Chakrabarti from Forbes. He's joined us virtually. These are the 2 questions.